The insurance industry may be a career for you. There's different aspects of insurance industry to be in. There's the insurance part, there's financial services, there's property and casualty, there's health, there's life. My name is Rene Manfre. I started out in the insurance industry 30 years ago. It was one of the best decisions I made. Didn't have a background in the insurance industry. I was always kind of good with sales. I liked working with people, but I really didn't understand how I can get into this industry. My goal is to help serve you and put you in a direction and help you with your path and understanding the opportunities that the insurance may have for you. Down below I have a course that we're putting together to where we can share with you the step-by-step processes to get into the industry, how to get through it, and a little bit of coaching to share with you how you can pretty much figure out your path that you're looking for. I've been in the insurance industry for over 30 years. Didn't have a background in insurance, didn't really understand it, but when I gave that opportunity to get into the business, I got my license. I worked with some of the top companies in the country, Blue Cross and Blue Shield, healthcare companies, life insurance companies, automotive and property and casualty companies. My goal is basically help individuals get into the industry or learn different areas of the industry that might fit for you. There's different parts of the industry that you can fit into and you can work as. And if this might be something that's interesting to you, the insurance industry is a wide open industry. The insurance companies own majority of the real estate in America. They're one of the biggest industries there is. My goal is basically help individuals across the different areas and different cities find a way to where you can maybe get into this industry, show you some different avenues where it might fit for what you and your personality, what you're trying to accomplish, give you an idea and understanding of what type of income you'll make from the different areas, and move through the path and funnel out and put you into different companies that might be the best fit for what you're looking for. Again, my name is Rene Manfre.